Welcome back to City Foodie Farm. Today we got a special recipe for you. We will be making rainbow curry. This dish is filled with all kinds of colorful ingredients. They're healthy too. And it's gonna taste so good. First, you'll want to prep your ingredients. You'll need half an onion diced, ginger, and 2 cloves of garlic. And always keep a bowl handy to add your scraps to it. Next, measure out 1 cup of red lentils and run them through a strainer. You'll need 2 handfuls of little tomatoes sliced. Next, get your saute pan ready and add a spoonful of coconut oil. As the coconut oil melts, you'll be adding in your onions and keep it on medium to high heat. And make sure to season them. And when you notice your onions getting a little brown, you'll want to add in your ginger and your garlic. And then make sure to season with salt. And now it's time to get your seasoning ready. And sprinkle it in. And now we will start to add the purple cabbage. 2 cups of purple cabbage. And now add in your sliced red pepper. Next, add in 1 diced sweet potato. And now add in your sliced tomatoes. And then 1 cup of red lentils. And add 1½ cups of water. Now we'll be adding 1 can of coconut milk. Whisk it together before adding. When everything is combined, then you'll want to put a lid on it and cook on low. As it cooks, we'll want to start our rice. You'll need 1 cup of long grain rice, 1 3/4 cup of water. And don't forget to season it. When it starts to boil, turn it on low and put a lid on it for 15 minutes. When your rice is almost done, you'll want to add in 2 handfuls of chopped kale. And lastly, top it with some cilantro. And there you go, our rice is ready. And so is our rainbow curry. It smells so good. Just wait until you taste it. And if it needs salt, make sure you season it. Now grab a measuring cup, fill it with rice, smush it down, and now you can dish on your rainbow curry. Doesn't it look delicious? It smells so good. And last but not least, top it with some cilantro. And that's it. Simple, healthy, and delicious. Thanks for coming along. I hope you enjoy this rainbow curry. For more recipes and videos like this, please subscribe. Thank you.